Hey everyone, Sergio here with the Rideshare Guy. What do we say on Show Me the Money Club? Work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the solo app, which I have been for the past year and a half, you may be working a lot harder than you need to. Let's change that. Download the app, link your account where you can manage your income, track your expenses, as well as your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more money, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download the Solo app today. Begin to work smarter, not harder. Link is in the description. Let's get back to it.
Sergio, you're getting $1,600. So you taking me out when we come next week?
Absolutely, buddy.
When I'm in town?
I'm gonna take you to the best barbecue joint. It's better than Texas. So I know you don't know this. We haven't spoken about this. So after the show, we'll talk about it. I am doing a half-hour live stream, Chris, because it just came out today, on Thursday at 2 p.m. Pacific.
Okay, Thursday
We're
at
going
2.
to have two people. We're going to have the CEO of SETC and the marketing director of SETC on as well. And we're going to discuss this for half hour. And it's going to be a live stream. I'm getting $1,680. I'm almost at the last stage, about to fill out my paperwork, send it in, and then wait for my money to show up. This is not for California. This is for everyone. Okay?
Well,
there's a
in the
deadline
US.
here. There's a deadline that's April 15th. But if you did file an extension for the tax year of 2022 and 2023, then you'll have until October to file and get your money. The millions of dollars is sitting there. I think close to $200,000 were, well, it's, I think the Andrew just emailed me saying it's up to 190,000. RSG audience got 190,000. Well, that doesn't include my 1680. Hey man, 1680 is 1680. Whatever. You know what I mean?
Hell yeah.
It's a very easy process. They've been vetted. A lot of people think these are scams. Look, there were scammers when this thing came out, the tax credits. So I'm getting that. But I'm going to do a special live stream. If you're interested, please join me on Thursday at 2 p.m. with two people from SETC. I will answer all your questions. It's a very easy process. You go to their website and you do it, and then see if you're first entitled to anything. Once the calculations are made, the final numbers come back to you. And after that, you just fill out paperwork, print it, and mail it to the IRS, and then wait for your refund. So that's what's happening on Thursday. So what is that for, you're going to say? So gig workers, rideshare drivers, and independent contractors, this is for you. You could qualify if you missed work due to contracting COVID, quarantine requirements, caring for sick and family member. Well, my two kids did not go to school. That was my part. Dealing with school or daycare closures. So the deadline's coming up. Go to SCTC Pros and start the process. There's no upfront fees. They don't ask you for upfront. It's a contingency thing. If you get it, they'll take their commission and move on. And we're going to talk about all these things, numbers. I don't want to give too much detail on Thursday. So here's my number, 1,680. Last step. Click.
Boom.
And I'm done. There you go.
Nice.
Hey, man.
So I'll be expecting a nice dinner next week.
Absolutely, sir. Absolutely. You know, I mean, what day are you coming? So should we talk about Kerbivore now or later?
Yeah, why not?
All right.
Yeah, why not?
What day are you coming in?
Later, but yeah, for those who don't know, Kerbivore is next week, and it's in downtown LA. I will be there. Sergio will be there. I'm flying in Wednesday and going to be hanging out. So if anybody is in the LA area and wants to get together, we can do a meetup or something like that. Or better yet, come to Kerbivore. If you want to get your tickets with a massive discount, you can get it for $5. Link's going to be in the description. A lot of good food from what I hear. Sergio has been raving about it for the last couple of years, and I'm finally excited to check it out. Did you get the email about the bathroom?
I sent it to you. I sent it to some people.
No, you didn't send it to me. I got this from the company itself.
Oh, I got it. I sent it to Andrew and Harry. I was like laughing.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Throne Labs. Shout out to Throne Labs. The
throne, baby. Throne. It's my throne. It's my office. No, but seriously, Kerbivore next Friday, not this Friday, next Friday, April 11th from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. I assure you the food and the drinks are good. free. You can come early, get your coffee, and then come back, drive a little bit in downtown, do a few trips, come back. Go to eventbrite.com, find Kerbivore. At exit, use Sergio, Sergio 5. It's $5. Let me tell you something. The food you're going to eat is definitely going to be more than $25. And they don't run out. They just serve and serve and serve. So come meet us. Come meet some CEOs. We may do some tests. We have giveaways. We have a couple of really nice giveaways. And yeah, and Chris is coming from Buffalo. You're coming Wednesday, right? Okay, so
yeah, I'm flying in Wednesday. I should be getting in at 4:50 something in the afternoon, so right in time for rush hour. So I'll get to the hotel at like 7.
Okay,
if I'm lucky.
and then once you do that, then the next day I'll come and pick you up downtown, and then we have our thing on Thursday. But then Friday we're gonna be at Kerbivore. So it's the first time Chris is coming out to Kerbivore in the last 4 years. So Harry, thank you. But should be a good time, man. Should be a good time.
Yeah, absolutely. So again, if you're in the area, or if you're in the surrounding area, come on, check it out.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you get notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.